If you want to collect leads, phone number, customer information and other details about your customer by using Facebook and Instagram, this video is going to help you a lot. Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how you can collect your leads by using Facebook or Instagram from message. This is one of the easiest way to collect leads from your customer. Why you should use it? Number 1. Faster lead collection. Number 2. Since there is no need to change the platform, more people are interested to fill up the form. Number 3. You can generate lead without website. Number 4. As more people are using mobile, so it is fully mobile friendly. You can use it for course, registration, clinic, service related business, booking related business, event registration and others. So without further ado, let's jump to my screen. Manager. You have a create button. I will click on it. I will simply select the leads objective as campaign objective. Then we will click on continue. We will give a name of this campaign. We will scroll down. In the budget section, we will select the budget at the ad set level. So I have selected this and I will uncheck this as I don't want to share my budget with other ad sets. Scrolling down, A/B testing would be remain off. We are not going to select any special ad category because our ad does not belongs to any of them. If your ad belongs to any of special category, then you need to select it. Just simply skip it. Clicking on next. Here we can rename the ad set whatever the name we want. Scrolling down in the conversion location. Select the single one on the instant form. So my Facebook page has already been selected here. Scrolling down in the performance goal, you can select the maximize number of conversion leads if you want quality leads. But if you are running your ads in a small area, then I would suggest you to select maximum number of leads, because right now your aim is to get maximum number of leads, not maximum number of conversion leads. But if you are running ad in wider area, then you should select maximum number of conversion leads to get quality leads, because Meta technology automatically showcase your ad to such kind of people according to your performance. Dynamic creative is off. Daily budget I am going to set at 100 taka, 1000 taka. I am going to set the daily budget. Here we can select the start and end date, the schedule of this ad set, So I am just simply selecting the end date. I am going to run my ad for next 10 days. Scrolling down in the audience section, we can select the location where we want to run our ad. Scrolling down here, we can suggest an audience to Meta. Alright, to whom we are going to showcase our ad. So I will click on show suggestions. Scrolling above the missed one more setting, that is off here. We can set the minimum age, so I have selected this. There are two options where we can select the age. This is just of minimum age only, and this is for like age bracket. Here we can select the gender to whom we want to showcase our ad. As I want to showcase my ad to like both genders, I am not going to change it. In detailed targeting, we can simply target people on the basis of their interest, behavior and demographics. Scrolling down the placement setting, one or more placements control. Now click on the ad creative level. Here we are going to design our ad creative and the ad setup. There are two options to create and use existing post. So I have selected create ad. In the format, I have selected single image or video. I am going to uncheck the multi advertiser ads as of now. Here we can create a new form. Just simply click on create form. Here we can keep our form name whatever we want. It's just for our reference and would not be visible to our users. Right now, my objective is to get more volume of leads, so I have simply selected more volume. I am not going to verify the phone number of the leads by one-time passcode because users may panic and I want to get more data. Next, there is a sharing settings. Do you want your form to restricted or open? In restricted, only people who watch your ad would be able to fill the form. If you keep it open, then people who see your ad and share it with their friend can also fill the form. So I am going to keep my form open. Flexible form delivery. I am turning it off because I want all questions to be answered. Here you can select the background image of the form. You can upload your own image or use the image from your ad so that the background automatically matches your ad creative. In the greeting section, you can enter the headline and description. For example, kindly submit the form for registration. Trust signal is optional, so I am not turning it on. You can also offer like free consultation or free trial to motivate user. However, keeping too many elements will make the form longer, so I recommend keeping the form short and simple. Click next. Here you can add questions like multiple choice question, short answer question, conditional question and appointment request. I will add multiple choice question and short answer question. Then I will collect contact details like full name, phone number and city. Click next. Here you can add your privacy policy link if you have a website, otherwise you can skip it. Next page you will show the thank you message like thank you are all set. You can also add a call business button. Click create from. Now the instant lead form has been created. Scrolling down, we will upload our ad creative. Select the image ad and upload the banner. Then write the caption, headline and description. For CTA button, I will select book now. In Advantage Plus Creative, I will keep everything off because I don't want Meta to automatically modify my creative. For stories, reels and feed, we can upload different size. Here we can preview how the ad and form will appear. When user click on the book now button, the instant form will open. User will fill up MCQ, short answer and question and contact details. Then they will see the privacy policy page and finally thank you page. After that, we click publish our campaign. This is how we can create an instant lead form in Meta Ads Manager. If you like this video or if this video helped you even a little, then please